by the authority vested upon me as the RCA Principal of Colegio de las Hijas de Jesus, I, Sister Melida A. Peña Florida F.I., confirm the graduation of these 125 students who have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements for general secondary education prescribed by the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines, this 20th day of March 2014. Congratulations!